Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and we are here for the animal cell lab. This is going to be so much fun. We're going to be identifying the organelles inside of this cell right here, and we're going to make all the different parts along the way, and then we get to take home the model. Check this out.
This is the cell membrane. It allows things in that are needed, like food, and allows things out that aren't needed, like waste. And it also keeps intruders from coming. This is the cytoplasm. It stores organelles and it's like jello but it moves. This is the nucleus. It stores DNA and makes it a eukaryotic cell. Start the button. This is the nucleus and it makes ribosomes.
This is the endoplasmic reticulum. It's a maze of passageways that carries proteins.
These red things are ribosomes and they make protein.
This pink stuff is the Golgi apparatus. It acts as the mail route. It sends and receives packages of protein.
This is a lysosome. It's like a stomach and it breaks down foods with chemicals.
This is the mitochondria. It's a powerhouse which turns food into energy.
This yellow thing is the centriole. It divides cells with the spindles.
All these organelles keep the cell alive.
Wow, science is so amazing. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless. Bye-bye.
This thing is the nucleus.
It is. This is like a toilet.
This thing is the nucleus.
Oilers.
Hola! These are red things, which are called ribosomes. This yellow thing is the centriole. It divides cells with the sprinkle.
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles.